Torrential slide cost commonly equivalent to $13.6000 a coin in a kind of large manner. The present exchanged cost range, $13.4000 $13.6700 in a significant way. The earlier day close, $13.5200. Or so they for the most part thought. The change in every way that really matters was plus 0.0800, plus 0.59%, which truly is very huge. Reverse rate, United States dollars to Avax, showing how the earlier day close, $13.5200 in a very significant way. Torrential slide value expectation for, in the not so distant future and month Avalanche cost expectation on Monday, July 24, cost $13.09, most certainly greatest $14.01, least $12.17, showing that torrential slide value expectation for, in the not so distant future and month Avalanche cost forecast on Monday, July 24, cost $13.09, especially greatest $14.01, sort of least 12.17 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, July 25, cost $13.17, sort of most extreme $14.09, in every way that really matters, least 12.25 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, July 26, cost $13.05, genuinely greatest $13.96, really least 12.14. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday, July 27, cost $13.23, extremely greatest $14.16, especially least 12.30 in an especially large way. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, July 28, cost $12.69, genuinely most extreme $13.58, least 11.80. Torrential slide value expectation 2023, 2024, 2027, which for the most part is very huge. In multi-week torrential slide estimate on Monday, July 31, cost $12.79, all things considered, most extreme 13.69, beautiful least 11.89, which in every practical sense, is genuinely huge. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost $12.32, most certainly greatest 13.18, in every way that really matters, least 11.46, which truly is genuinely huge. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, August 2, cost $12.48, in every way that really matters, most extreme 13.35, fundamentally least 11.61 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $12.96, in every practical sense, greatest 13.87, sort of least 12.05 in a truly significant manner. Torrential slide figure on Friday, August 4, cost $14.04, greatest 15.02, genuinely least 13.06. In about 14 days torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost $13.78, by and large greatest 14.74, truly least 12.82, which generally is very huge. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, August 8, cost $13.66, fundamentally greatest 14.62, most certainly least 12.70. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost $13.47, genuinely greatest 14.41, genuinely least 12.53, or so they especially thought. Torrential slide figure on Thursday, August 10, cost $13.41, sort of most extreme 14.35, truly least 12.47, which really shows that torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $12.96 in every practical sense, greatest 13.87, exceptionally least 12.05, or so they by and large thought. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, August 11, cost $14.35, for the most part greatest 15.35, least 13.35. In 3 weeks torrential slide gauge on Monday, August 14, cost $14.77, for the most part greatest 15.80, truly least 13.74 in an unobtrusive way. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, August 15, cost $14.44, exceptionally most extreme 15.45, kind of least 13.43, which is very huge. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, August 16, cost $14.05, exceptionally greatest $15.03, essentially least $13.07, which by and large is genuinely huge. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, August 17, costs $13.83, most certainly greatest $14.80, truly least $12.86. Torrential slide estimate on Friday, August 18, costs $13.95, sort of greatest $14.93, all things considered, least $12.97, which truly is genuinely huge. In about a month torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, August 21, cost $14.08, really most extreme $15.07, sort of least $13.09 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, August 22, cost $14.06, genuinely greatest $15.04, lovely least $13.08, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to Avax today. United States dollars to Avax swapping scale pretty equivalent to 0.0735 coins per $1. Today's reach 0.0732 to 0.0746, which truly is very critical. The past AS nearby 0.0740, change for now 0.0005, 0.68%. Which is genuinely huge. Dollar to torrential slide figure on Monday, July 24, cost 0.076 coins, really most extreme 0.082, fundamentally least 0.071, which is genuinely critical. United States dollars to Avax expectation on Tuesday, July 25, cost 0.076 coins, extremely greatest 0.082, really least 0.071 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to torrential slide figure on Wednesday, July 26, cost 0.077 coins, most certainly greatest 0.082, exceptionally least 0.072, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. United States dollars to Avax expectation on Thursday, July 27, cost 0.076 coins, genuinely greatest 0.081, sort of least 0.071 in a significant way. Dollar to torrential slide figure on Friday, July 28, cost 0.079 coins, most certainly greatest 0.085, especially least 0.074, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. In multi-week United States dollars to Avax forecast on Monday, July 31, cost 0.078 coins, sort of greatest 0.084, essentially least 0.073, which is very critical. Dollar to torrential slide figure on Tuesday, August 1, cost 0.081 coins, beautiful most extreme 0.087, sort of least 0.076